What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and we are back for another video. Today I'm actually going to do a custom pair of shoes. This one I'm actually going to do a Mickey Mouse safari themed custom pair of shoes. I am waiting on the overalls to come in. We're gonna do the overalls too to match the shoes. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that in the process. So let's just get straight into it. Before, again, every custom that you want to do is take off the shoelaces. Take out the shoelaces. Whatever you want to do, you want to get rid of these laces, baby. Okay? Because they white. And white get dirty. Y'all know when y'all have the laces out, then we get to prep the shoe with our acetone. Again, I use this acetone. I just place it in here because I like the pump when it pumps onto my cotton ball. So that's why I use the container for that, because I don't use acetone. Anyways, get us a good amount on there. Ooh. Get us a good amount on the cotton ball. You're gonna want to rub every single surface that you're gonna paint. Putting acetone on this lifts up like any factory sealant that they got on the shoe. So you want to make sure that you are, hitting the spots multiple times, just making sure that we're getting all that sealant off. Once you guys got the shoes all prepped, we can then start. If you're hand painting, you can either paint. What I like to do is I like to use my airbrush. So I'm actually going to tape off where I'm going to lay the first color down. This shoe is going to be, it's going to be black here. Yeah, it's gonna be black here, and then it's gonna be like an olive, safari green. We're gonna put Mickey Mouse right on the side here. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, y'all, when you guys have your shoes taped, you can start painting them. Wow. So I actually mixed the paint before I taped the shoe. So I got my paint. And if you watch my last shoe custom, you know that I said I was gonna order a mesh strainer for my paint, and I did. So we're gonna see. We're gonna actually test it out today and see. So I'm gonna grab my Too Thin, mix it in with my paint. Mix it in. Take your strainer, and literally I'm just gonna hold it over this. My paintbrush thing is over here. Well, I can use this. Again, don't come for me, y'all. It's just easier to clean when I don't have the tip. I'm gonna put this like that, and then I'm gonna pour the paint right in. You guys can't really see it. Hold on. There we go. All right, we ready to paint? We ready. So when using an airbrush, you want to make sure that you're applying thin layers at a time. You don't want to apply one thick layer of paint. So you're going to do it multiple times. You're going to hit it with the heat gun, go back to the airbrush, hit it with the heat gun again. You're going to do this process multiple times until you get a nice solid color.
Yo. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kind of like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Once you get kind of the airbrush out of the way, I went ahead and they want like blue incorporated into the shoe as well. Since we're doing like a safari Mickey Mouse theme. They're gonna put some jean, or they're gonna be blue jean overalls. So blue here. And then I'm gonna start painting the Sockliner, which I already started here. I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. So first you want to remove, cause you just don't want it to get messy. You don't want it to look like or drip paint onto the shoe. And then you're gonna have your paint. So again, I'm using custom paint. You mix your paint. And then you want to, this is what I use, and this is what I mix into my paint when I'm doing any type of fabric on the shoe. This just sets it, so once you put your paint down, you want to kind of heat dry it because as it is heat activated. So make sure you're doing that. Usually what I just do is just take a small paintbrush on the smaller shoes, I should say, and I just go very slow around the sock liner.
I take drugs and feel relaxed, it's like that therapeutic. She take that pussy on call back so she won't think I need it. Made it out of jungle, I ball ain't got no jumper. Rest in peace, my uncle. Never met, but I still love you. Remember that pussy from way back, playing out there on the proper.
All right, so what you guys are gonna see here is me applying the Mickey Mouse on the side of the shoe. If you guys want something in depth of what I do here, just let me know right now down in the comments.
Cop new hammers for my beat. We don't want no peace. Got started cost back. Peace. Drop the data, now we play. Inside the peace.
I just got the overalls in to match these shoes. Not to match them, but to customize them. So we're gonna go ahead and open that up and start. Okay, y'all, so here I have the overalls I am going to be working on. So what I'm going to be doing is, these are really soft, basically matching them with the shoes. Put some of this green on there, put some of Mickey Mouse on there, some of the blue. I did think it was going to be like a lighter blue on the jeans, but that's okay. I'm just put that blue on here as well. Again, just matching the shoes with Mickey Mouse. So let's do it. Okay, y'all, the first thing that I'm about to do with these overalls is actually, I already started, but I'm taking off this pocket just so I can have a much more space to work with putting the design on here, because I want it to cover kind of the full thing right here instead of just, you know, minimizing it to this little pocket here. So I started ripping the seams a little bit, just using my X-Acto knife and cutting it. I used to have a seam ripper, don't know where it's at right now. So this is what I'm doing. Yeah, so I got my designs in Design Space and I got them the sizes that I want. So what I'm gonna do now is send it to the printer, get it cut. Yeah, so I airbrushed the green on. Now I laid out everything how I want it to press down. I have my heat press heating up, and then I am going to heat press it all down. This is what it's looking like.
Well, I hope someday I'll make it. Oh, no, even if it takes.
So let me know what you guys think of the outfit and the shoes. I think they turned out really good. That's really, really, really cute. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back for more videos. Bye!
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the same shoes, but you ain't gon' step. That shit that you just put out.